The NPA boss says he took a range of legal advice before making his decision and confirmed that court papers were delivered to the Supreme Court of Appeal early on Monday morning.
We have the view that the decision of the full bench of the Pretoria High Court, with the greatest of respect, impacts on the work of the NPA, it impacts on the work of the National Director, it impacts on the decision of each and every prosecutor, and it impacts on each and every citizen of this country who is the subject of a prosecutorial decision and or prosecutorial discretion. And we have the view that the judgment of the greatest of respect limits or denudes our power.
Now we have a presidential appointee saying that he believes he is the right person to make the decision as to whether or not a prosecution should be lodged. He seems to be disregarding everything that the SCA said about the irrationality of the withdrawal, that there was a strong prima facie case, that a case like that ought to proceed.
At the same time, on Monday, the Western Cape High Court dismissed the DA's application for an inquiry into Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions Nkobo Jiba's fitness to hold office. This decision will also be appealed by the main opposition party.
I'm pleased with the result of the Cape High Court. However, I'm not pleased with the issues that had to be ventilated, in that matter.
The DA is right to take that decision on appeal. There are very strong indications that Jiba has lied under oath and has kind of really implemented a sort of vendetta against certain of the people that she's wanted to prosecute in the absence of adequate grounds for a prosecution.
While the two matters are unrelated, concerns have been raised about the independence of the NPA, and these two legal challenges may yet prove that point. The decision by the NPA to appeal the High Court ruling is not a surprise. Many were expecting it, and it just means that the entire process to allow the President to clear his name is prolonged. I'm Angelo Coppola for CCTV in Pretoria, South Africa.